Hello again. Let's continue video on Joie baby car chair, and today here is the base for this seat called Joie I-Base Encore with spin system. Let's unbox it and try to put it together. Test how does it works. Okay, let's get in the box. Here is the manual for the base. And here is the base, quite heavy. Some attachments, not yet having any idea why are those there. But here is the base. Some indicators. Let's test it out. Some instructions on the base. At start, let's try it here at home, and later on we of course will try it in car. Okay, it's now time to test the system in work, and here is fixators for ISOFIX. You attach to the car seat. Here on both sides are buttons for releasing the chair when it is on. Here is the button for turning the seat around or 90 degrees for easy putting the chair in or taking it out. This is for changing the position of the leg. It will be possible to test it in the car. Here are indicators that lets you know if everything is in good position. So let's test them on. So as we get now, only way to put the chair on the system is only backwards. On this way it doesn't work. So in this way it is already on. Very quick and very easy, and you can detach it by either pressing this or button on this side. No need to use both sides, and this is off. And to turn around, press this and it is turning. And again it's back in the place. And when the chair is in the right place, you can see that both indicators are green, and when we will put the system with chair in the car, so we can adjust the leg, and the indicator, the third indicator also will be green. So this is that easy and that quick. Let's quickly remove the chair and keep on watching the video. We will test it in the car.